It's always hard to understand the living life of a hardened man with no life to enjoy. Life was always so unfair since his mama left him when he was a little boy. Dad would try to make ends meet while he was playing on the streets every night and day. Caught within the law one day, chained up to a courtroom chair, he turned around and said, "Don't cry, my daddy, please shed no tears. I'll be home real soon, in 21 years. Don't cry, my daddy, please shed no tears. I'll be home real soon, in 21 years." As they escorted him to his cell, he turned around as if to say with a little smile, "Daddy, don't you cry. Daddy, don't you cry." Well, the time was long, the years are gone, and his life has started anew with a boy of his own. Standing over his father's graves, telling stories to him about when he was just a boy. Then, as if for some wrong reason, he turns to send a gentle smile to his little son. With tears falling from his eyes, he clenches his fist and realizes what he's done. And his little boy said, "Don't cry, my daddy, please shed no tears. I'll be home real soon, in 21 years. Don't cry, my daddy, please shed no tears. I'll be home real soon, in 21 years." He can still hear the words he once said in his mind, "Daddy, don't you cry.